Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and if you've watched some of the videos on the channel, you know I love Jeeps and pretty much any off-road vehicles. And we've got another one that it's actually been at the farm for years, but it's been sitting out of commission for years as well too. And we're finally getting around to fixing some of the old Jeeps that we've got in the barn, and this one we got into, and was just gonna share it a little bit with you. This is a 1979 Jeep CJ5. Is an AMC Jeep, or actually I think this one was a Willys before AMC even took them over. So belay my last, it's a Willys CJ5. Was originally a Renegade package, and we've had this, oh, like I said, probably 15 years, maybe 20 years. We've had it a long time, and we just used it for running around the farm. It was a great Jeep, always ran good, and my son, about 5 years ago, 6 years ago, he was learning how to drive a stick and was driving it off-road, kind of getting used to it, and the clutch went out while he was driving. I don't know if it was something he did, if it was just a coincidence, because it was an old Jeep, but it went out, and it sat for a while because I didn't have the time to rebuild the clutch, put a new clutch in, and I didn't have the money at the time to have one done because what they were wanting to replace a clutch was pretty expensive all of a sudden. So it's set. Luckily, a buddy of mine, you know, I do try to help anybody out that I can. And luckily, a buddy of mine that was getting out of the Marines, and I helped him with his VA paperwork, is a mechanic. And he took it in, and he's like, yeah, I'll do the clutch for you. So he did the clutch, and even did some brake lines, did some rewiring. He did a lot of work on it, and really just charged me for parts. So was very, very appreciative of that. We'll do a walk around on this. Took the back seat out of it years ago. Want to do a little work to the floor, and we'll probably put another one in. Might even put some jump seats in, who knows. The seats are in pretty rough shape. They're still usable. I've got a little seat cushion we had laying around the house that driving it around I was using. Added a little toggle switch because the fuel pump was bad. We put an inline fuel pump on it and could not get it worked into the ignition, so I've got an on-off for the fuel pump. Like I said, it's a little rough. We're going to be cleaning it up in a lot of ways, vacuuming it. And open up the hood on this. Hey, check that out. It's a AMC V8. I believe it's a 302, which is, I believe the lower half is a Ford or a GM V8. The upper half is the lower half's a Ford. The upper half's a Buick, I believe, unless I got it backwards. But yeah, kind of weird the way they did it, but a lot of power, more power than this thing really needs. I'd be happy with a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder, honestly, for the less weight off-road, because this is strictly an off-road vehicle for right now. Put a new carburetor on it, went through all the lines and cleaned everything up. So you can see even a little duct tape on there. And the beauty of it, turn this fuel pump on. Definitely need a new windshield on here, that's for sure. This thing has now set for about 2 or 3 days down here. Been working on cleaning up my campgrounds and brought it down here and just trying to clean out the barn to get a little extra room. But turn on the fuel pump. Listen to that thing purr. Can't see anything out the windshield right now, but wipers don't work. But it runs good. Now we will be doing quite a bit of work on this, going to replace some seats, clean it up, maybe give it a paint job, who knows. But definitely we've got it running the way it needs to run, so now we're going to, you know, kind of clean it up and make it look a little nicer so we can take it off-road and beat it up a little bit, which I know doesn't make any sense. But anyway, just wanted to share it with you. And you'll probably be seeing some more videos in the near future on this. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. If you ever had one of these CJs, leave me a note in the comment. Tell me what you had and what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, if you wish you still had it, or if you still do have it after all these years. Let me know. I'd like to see it in the comment. Till next time, have a great day.